What's up, guys? It's New York session, and we got to make this money together, right? Somebody's already showing some love. Somebody's already showing love by liking the video. You see, we are still where we were in the morning. Like price has been stuck around this zone since London session. This is GBP USD. So this is New York. Let's see exactly what the New York session has in store for us. So for those who are just joining us for the very first time, you're welcome. I go by the name FelloF, and we are actually here to make trading easy for you. Okay, so those who were not in the morning during New York, during London, so we noticed that the 4 hours is in an uptrend. Okay, and we marked out this zone, this point where we had a break of structure and low of that break of structure, hoping that price should pull back into this zone and give us a confirmation to buy. You see, price did and has given us a powerful bullish engulfing where we should be buying. But now, since I trade more of key levels, one of my greatest confluence is a key level. Price is below 1.35500 and above 1.35000. Okay, so I'm thinking that price might want to pull back down to 1.35000 before giving us the move to the upside. So instead of me trying to catch this move here where I'll place my stop loss just few pips below, I'd rather wait for price to pull back down if price actually comes back down to give me a good confirmation. But if not, then I'm waiting to have a clean change of character on the 1 hour time frame. So guys, tell me, hope you are seeing my screen and there is no obstacle. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section. Are you seeing my screen? And for those who are joining us for the very first time, show some love, guys. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe. Wow, Bob Commando, my big bro is in the building. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Hi, Hot Ice. Wow, you are here again. Let's get it going. Let's get it going. We're here to make money during our London, New York session. Okay, so let's see if New York will actually give us an entry or not. But looking at the way the 4 hours candles are closing, first, it closed above the, it closed very, very bullish during New York, during London. You see, for those who are trading CRT, there is one simple thing they could have been looking for, waiting for a candlestick to close. So this black candle you see is actually the first 4 hours candle of the day. Let me mark it out with black. This black candlestick you see here is the first 4 hours candlestick of today. So for CRT traders, they'll mark out the high of that candlestick. Excuse me. They'll mark out the high and the low, okay? And say if price decides to close below the lows of that candlestick, then they should be looking for sales. But if price closes above, they should be looking for buys. And what happened? Price actually closed above, and we had a good pullback to tap on it, telling us buyers are dominating in this market, according to CRT, okay, candle range theory. But personally, since that's not what I trade, I'll rather wait and see if we can have a 1 hour change, a good 1 hour change of character. I don't want to complicate it. Trading should be very, very easy. So you see, this is telling us bulls are more powerful in this market. Okay, bulls are more powerful in this market. You all can see it. So if we have a closure above this mid level, okay, and now we see a good pullback, on the key level, because looking at it very well, you see we have something here like a change of character, which it is, I think. I think we've had a change of character somewhere here. Look at something on the 1 hour. It's actually closed above our breaker structure. You see, price actually changed above these highs. And now we are having this bullish move. What we are waiting for is for 1 hour candlestick to close above this zone. And then we have a pullback. So if we have something like this, right? Like now, this candlestick is going. If it gets to this point, and now we'll wait for another candlestick to come back like this, then we buy, targeting a minimum of, excuse me, what's going on? Let me, okay. So what I'm saying is, if this candlestick that is creating like this pulls up to this zone, we'll wait for the next candle or the next couple of candles to give us a little pullback like this. Okay, I believe you guys can see my screen. A little pullback like this, and then we and then we'll buy all the way up, okay, to at least 1.86 thousand. Yeah, to at least 1.86 thousand. But as long as no candlestick is closing above this level, let me remove all these lines so that it shouldn't stress you too much. Let me reduce the lines. If no candlestick is closing above this blue line, guys, we have nothing to do. As of now, we have nothing to do. We cannot sell at this point because we are already within our 4 hours golden zone. Okay, so if you don't understand what a golden zone is, it is the zone between the most recent swing low and the most recent break of structure, or yeah, break of structure or change of character. So for those who are joining me for the very first time, I think the best way you can support the channel is by following the channel or subscribing to the channel. Sorry, so you can subscribe to the channel and show some love by also sharing the live stream, and why not even like tell me where you're streaming from in the comment section, and also tell me what is your biggest forex problem. What's the biggest problem you have in the forex market? Is it strategy? Is it entries? Is it risk management? Or is it the fear of uncertainty? Okay, just tell me in the comment section and I'll break things down for you. We'll discuss on how you can overcome that challenge. Okay, we have so many big traders here with us. So when you have a question, just ask. Even if I don't have the answer, somebody will answer for you. That's why we are here. Okay. So now, wow. Okay. Hot Eyes is streaming all the way from Nigeria. Nice to have my Nigerian guys here. When going through my analytics, I discovered that Nigerians are watching me more than everyone else. No. Nigerians are second. They are second. Indians are top. Nigerians second, and the US third. Okay, so Stasha Grant says, if trading is your power, what are you without it? Then I'm nothing without it. Yeah. So like I said, if we have a break above this zone, we should be looking for buys. So you guys, those who are trading GBP USD, get your accounts ready. Okay, get your accounts ready. Let's see if we are going to have a buy today. Okay, we just had a little change of character here. We had a good pullback. I don't know if the pullback occurred before the break of structure, before the change of character or what, but it's cool. So at this point, it's becoming clear. Okay, if this candlestick that you are seeing here like this closes where it is or above, and we have another candle pull back to this line, then this is what we'll be expecting. This is what we'll be expecting. So let's be positive. Let's be positive. You wait patiently for your confirmations to show up because you don't control the market. And for those watching me for the very first time, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. All right. Show some love by subscribing. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. And for the guys in my Octa challenge, get yourselves ready because maybe in 1 hour time we might be looking for a buy confirmation, because the first thing is this 1 hour candle has to close above the zone. If it doesn't, we are not buying. We have nothing to do. If it's low, we will not buy saying that, okay, price has gone to a discount zone, so it's better to buy when it's down. No, we wait for it to close above and we wait for a pullback for us to buy with a 20 pip stop loss because of the consistency rule. Okay. So tell me in the comment section, Stasha Grant, where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from? Are you a trader? And do you have any challenge or any contribution? Because we have big traders here too. So I might be asking about challenge whereas you have a contribution to drop in. Okay. So this is what the New York session is doing for us, which looks very good. Okay. It looks really, really good. But if you ask me, I'll tell you, I wanted price to pull down instead. I wanted price to come down to this zone. But price has decided what it wants to do. That's why we are reactive and we don't predict. Okay? React to what the market presents. So tell me guys in the comment section, what's your biggest trading challenge? What's the biggest problem you think is holding you back? Because most unprofitable traders actually know their problem. Some of them are greedy. They actually make profits, but they don't take the profits. Some of them are they are suffering from fear. So they have analysis paralysis. Others actually move their stop loss when price moves towards it, causing them to lose more than what they planned to lose, or more than what they can afford to lose. Okay. Yeah. Wow. K Knights X7K. Your problem is money problem. What do you mean by money problem? Too much money, less money, or what kind of money problem? Tell me, be clear. Well, yeah, for hot FX, yeah. So the solution for your greed is pre-definition, like you predefine your goal before entering. Do you have a trading plan? No, I don't think you have. So work on that. Have a trading plan. Say on every trade I take, I have two things involved. For someone like me, all right, it's simple. If this price actually pulled down to this level of 1.35 thousand, would have been targeting a 1:5 risk to reward. Okay, so would have been taking a trade here at 1.3500, risking just 20 pips. Okay, just 20 pips, and then targeting 100 pips, the next key level. That would have been a clean 1:5 risk to reward. Okay, hot forex, this is an answer to your question. Now that price is giving us this zone here, if we have a confirmation around here, instead of a 1:5, now we'll be targeting a 1:2.5, because we'll wait for price to pull back to this zone, and then we won't target these highs. No, since it is the first move after this change of character, what we'll do is we'll be targeting a 1:2.5. That's predefining your risk to reward before getting into the trade. And once you do that, always, you'll see that that greed factor will disappear, because you already know what you are expecting. If you are wrong, you will lose 20 pips. But if you are right, you will make 50 pips. That's it. 1:2.5. Okay. Now, let's say you are courageous enough to maybe hold this trade all the way up to the previous highs, because price might continue the trend to the upside. If you are courageous enough to hold it to this point, that will be a 1:5. It's not being greedy. it's actually working according to your plan. That's why you should have a trading plan. You say, okay, now on the let's say on the 4 hours we are bullish, on the daily we are bullish. It means the overall trend is bullish. We were having a pullback, which means now instead of a 1 is to 2.5, let me target a 1 is to 5. Okay, because it is the overall trend direction. So it's very okay for you to say you are targeting a 1 is to 5. But now if you don't have an open stop loss, an open take profit, hoping that okay, price will just keep going up, that's where you become greedy. But if you can predefine your risk and also predefine your reward, that's where you become a smart trader. Okay, profitability will be very, very close to you. Okay, maybe you already have a strategy, maybe you have all it takes to be profitable, but for the fact that you are indisciplined, you are unable, excuse me, you're unable to make the right decisions, like say to yourself, your challenge was over leverage, and in the afternoon your challenge is, you know your problem already, and the first solution to a problem is identification, is problem identification. Once you've identified your problem, means you are few steps away from the solution. Okay, so like I said, if price pulls back to this zone, what are we doing? We'll buy from here. Okay, we'll buy from here. And now, what will cause us to hold this trade longer? If price breaks above this 1.86 thousand zone and slips above on the 1 hour time frame, then we'll know that okay, the bulls are still very powerful and this trend might want to continue to the upside. Simple, because the overall trend direction is bullish. Is it making some sense? So guys, keep dropping your worries in the comment section. Keep dropping your worries in the comment section, and solutions will be popping up back to back. So I'm more of a swing trader. Okay, so the reason why I keep coming like London session, New York session, is so that for you intra-session traders, you can have entries. But for us swing traders, when we catch this entry, bro, we are holding it till tomorrow, till we hit at a profit level. I will not close before time. I will not close before time. I will wait until my SL hits, my TP hits. That's the rule. Now, if I'm targeting this 1 is to 5, at 1 is to 2.5, I can decide to take a fraction so that in case price decides to pull back down, I will not lose completely. I will not move my stop loss to break even. I don't do that. What I do is I take partials at 1 is to 2.5. I know I've secured something. And if price decides to come back, I will not even lose anything on this trade. I will still close profitable. That's awesome. Ice hot, hot ice. Yeah, you need to correct your challenge, okay? And know that once you do that, you start seeing some changes. It's not about signals, okay? It's not about signals. If I were in your shoes, right? Instead of trying to start getting signals, I'll rather focus on raising funds for my mentorship program. Okay, I'll rather focus on raising funds for my mentorship program. I must not be your mentor. Okay, what I'm doing here for you is enough. If you feel comfortable with another person, maybe my trading style, maybe the style I handle stuff is not cool by you, you can look for someone who can make it better. All right, with whom you can resonate. You pay for his mentorship program and make sure it's someone who cares about you, who will be dedicated to actually coach you along the line, because some of you pay for fame instead of mentorship. You pay popular or famous guys for mentorship and you end up being sign-ups instead of mentees. All right, so pay for someone who actually hold your hand, who will be dedicated, who will give you who will sacrifice time for you. Okay, and through that you'll be able to build something, to understand something, and now for you to now raise money will be easy. As of now, like me, my own program is actually on discounts. I have a 20% discount for all the students who attend my free masterclass. So in case you want to be part of the free masterclass, make sure you attend. The reason why I am giving the 20% only to them, exclusively to them, is because first, with after the free masterclass, they will have a little bit of understanding, which means they have reduced the work of the academy. Okay, we won't stress a lot on them. But for you, a complete novice or someone who is coming with maybe a strategy from somewhere that has cost you a whole lot of pains, you will give us so much work because I'll give you instructions and maybe you break the rules and go and start doing what you want to do. So you will have to pay the complete amount. So first thing you have to do is contact this WhatsApp number and find your access to the free masterclass. Okay, it ends on the 6th, that's tomorrow. So make sure you are part of it. Secure your space, secure your seats right now, guys. So let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. It's not about how much you make, it's about how long you can last in this market. That's something I have to tell you guys. So many of us come in looking for quick returns, for quick wins. Bro, please share that same limit order to the Octa community. Okay, bro. Thank you, bro. So most people come in looking for those quick home runs. They want to make money quick, 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 quick. That's the mentality I came in with. But along the line, I discovered that the faster I want to make money, the more money I'm losing, or the more money I'll lose. So instead of that, I now came to the understanding that I have to focus more on education. Once you have the right education, the right mindset, the right knowledge, that's when you start seeing consistent profitability. It's not like I did not get profitable even before understanding these things, because I studied a lot. Okay, I studied a lot, but I still have a quick money mindset, which made me to lose what I make every time. After a couple of wins, I'll go back, blow my account. After a couple of wins, I'll go back, blow my account. I don't think any of you here has gone through the kind of losing streak I've gone through. Yes, I believe I will spend time on one. I'll make a video on my losing streak testimonies. Yes, on my losing. How can I name that video? How can I name it? I'll look for a name to talk about my losing streak. Man, I've gone through hell when it comes to losing streaks. And what I understood about it is, the more knowledge you gain on trading, the more losing streaks you will have. Because when you become a profitable or professional trader, when you understand trading, you now have a simple system you have to follow. But at first you were random. Random traders actually make easy wins and easy losses. But you are not random, so you wait for a couple of stuffs to align for you to make your decision. And there are times when those things will align, but price will decide to go against you, back to back, because we can consider some people, market makers, already understand that system. So that's where risk management actually saves you. So guys, for those who are just joining us, we are currently on GBP USD and we are looking forward to have a buy, but we are not just buying now. We are waiting for this 1 hour candlestick to close above this zone and maybe other candlesticks pump up. And now we have a pullback to this point, okay, to this mid level of 1.35500 on GBP USD. That's where we'll be buying, and we'll place a 20 pips stop loss below this key level, mid level, targeting the next mid level up, or the next key level up, or the next mid level at 1.36500. Okay, so that's exactly what we are doing here today. So if you are new here, do not forget to click the subscribe button. Subscribing to this channel will not break your finger, it will not hurt you. Instead, it will expose you to more knowledge. Yes. FX, my FX the chain. All right. You said thank you, my G, thank you, my man. You love me so much. I really appreciate it. Please, you send it to me on WhatsApp. Yes, I'll do that. I'll do exactly what you tell me to do. Like, I'm here for you guys, okay? And whatever you want, that's what we will do. Okay, that's what we will do. So I'm gonna do that video for you. Okay, I'll explain my losing streak. I explain my losing streak. Losing streaks are very, very important for traders. Losing streaks are very, very important because it is after a losing streak that you get to understand how long your system can survive, okay, when everything goes against you. How long can your system keep you alive? And if your system cannot keep you alive as long as possible, it means you don't have a good system. That's why losing streaks are very, very important. Okay. For those who are just joining, you are welcome to the channel. I go by the name FelloF, and I'm here to make trading easy. Okay. I'm here to make trading easy. So, in case you don't know, we are currently on GBP USD. We did analysis in the morning during London session, and now it's New York session. We did not have any buy confirmations yet, and now we are waiting to see if we'll have a buy confirmation on GBP USD for us to ride the trend all the way up and make some crazy pips together. All right. So in case you want to actually join a free masterclass that is going on, you can actually write this WhatsApp number. Okay, just contact these guys on WhatsApp and access to the free masterclass. It's free, completely free. You don't pay for anything. We guide you, give you some basic knowledge that you can use. You can go ahead and try it on your own. You don't need to pay us for anything. No. We are not asking you money. All right, it's completely free. So we are waiting for this 1 hour candlestick to close above this mid level for us to have a pullback and buy to the upside. Okay, that's how simple our trading style looks like. So guys, tell me in the comment section. First, before telling me, subscribe to the channel. I'm seeing 7 people here now. You were 15, you were 18. So just go to the subscribe button, click subscribe. It will not hurt you. It won't break your finger. In case it breaks your finger, take a screenshot and send it to this WhatsApp number. That I break my finger trying to subscribe to your channel. And bro, to be honest, we'll send you $100 to repair your finger. So just try it. Try it. Let's get it going, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what is your biggest Forex challenge? What's the problem you're facing as a Forex trader? Your biggest problem. Is it capital? Is it consistency? Is it greed? Is it FOMO? Is it SOT? Wait, is it, how do I call it? FOT, sorry. Is it FOT? That's fear of uncertainty. Yes. How did I call it? Yes, fraud. So, I don't know. Whatever. So, guys, just tell me, what's your problem? What's your problem? Let's try to solve it. It's very important. So, hot eyes, you see, if we bought, price is, we don't know if price will close below or above the level. And if price closes below this level, it means there is a possibility for price to continue coming down to this key level we are talking about. Okay. But if price, hey, bro, don't you think the limit order you sent was too early? Please tell my guys not to enter yet, not to place it yet, because I want this hourly candle to close first. Yes, so please tell them not to place it. Yes, thank you very much, bro. So, guys, until the market closes below, above this zone, that's when we will know that buyers are dominating. But as of now, bro, man, we don't know. We don't know. According to my strategy, I don't know. I don't know. So let's get it going. Drop your greatest challenge in the group. Sorry, in the comment section. Keep dropping, keep dropping. Keep dropping. Guys, let me get some water. Drop your questions. Drop your questions. I'm coming to reply everything, okay? And please, if the market hits that zone, you guys should shout. Say, fellow, the market is there. So I can come and enter, please.